ran off here. It's a long ways down. Dang, they pulled off too. Thank you. We're at the Deals Gap store. There's no need to pull off. Florida guy. The Florida people, they think they own the world, don't they? I know, I'm from Florida. All the fucking locals are here. God damn it. Fuck.
What is this thing spinning here?
Clutch.
It's just visible.
Yeah, dry clutch. How are y'all?
Intercom failed. Try again later.